Yo, Silver Game of Thrones is here. Hello guys, how are you doing today? So I got new package from GM Bullion. I'm going to open it today and we are going to talk. And thanks for joining. By the way, I have one comments from, I think his name Andy, and he said like never call viewers as a customers. So apologize, my English is not perfect, okay? It's not even first, not even second, I speak like 4 languages. So I apologize if sometimes I do not pronounce it correctly, or I say something else, like instead of viewers I use the word customers. So again, let's open it. Okay, let's see what is inside. So I'm going to open this package and I'm going to remove the paperwork, what I have inside. This is again from GM Bullion. Yeah, this is the package, but the paperwork is inside, so I still need to work to remove the paperwork. So yeah, I want to talk a little bit about how nice to have every channel different, right? Let's say I like Silver 51 50 channel. It's incredible channel, but we all different, right? Silver 5150, his channel is very refreshing. He's talking about politics, economic, financial, all this stuff. And my channel is totally different, right? It's cool to have different channels. So let's see what we get today. So I got 4 coins. It's a Silverback Gorilla 2020. I believe it's number 6, in this collection. Then I have South Korea Silver Phoenix. It's very new. It's a very new coin. I will new in series. And then I have 2 coins which continue my Through That Door series 7 and 8. I believe there are 7 coins. We will talk about this. Okay. So here are my coins which I got. So let's see. So I will start from Through the Door. Okay, this is 7 and 8. Okay, 7 and 8. So yeah, what I like about these coins is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You see every series, every coin from the series has open door. You see 7, the door is open, and this is number 8. You see number 8, the door is open, and number 9 will be last one. So these coins are, what's the name of this mint? It is a North America mint. North America mint, and they are produced by Chautauqua Silverwork. By the way, this Chautauqua Silverwork, they have a lot of great coins, okay? And I found another one of the site, which is it's a Feli mint, okay? Feli mint site. I'm going to put a link to this site. And I recently bought a Cryptic Silver series, 9 coins, I believe, Cryptic Silver series. I will review next time. They are also beautiful coins. You see from the back side they have very similar design. You see they say Chautauqua Silverwork, 1 less fetter, 1 more ounce. Yeah, and this 2500 only. This Through the Door. Okay, look into this series, guy. I highly recommend look into series which have very limited design. They have only 2500. It is 7 design, 7 design, and limited to 2500. So look into these coins. They will have incredible value going down the road. So here in my box, and I will share with you. This is incredible box. And this is my coins. You see, this is a war coins, 3, 4, 5, 6. I already have, you know, 6 coins from this collection. This will be 7 and 8. Very nice, very recognizable, and very collectible. And this is the second collection. First collection was a time collection. This is how they started. This is a time collection. So the time collection had only 5 coins, and you can Google it. You can watch it. It is the same. It is the same, you know, company. Chatakua or Chatakua. Yes, Chatakua. It's the same company. They started with this collection, okay, and now they make another one. So they are very recognizable and very collectible. I say 2,500 is a gift, guys. It's a gift, okay, and it's double sell for sure. It's a double sell, okay, going forward. Okay, so this is the first collection. Through the door, okay. Next one is 2020 Congo Silverback. Congo Silverback. Okay, so I just open it. 2020 Silverback Gorilla Congo. Yeah, this is very recognizable coin. There are maybe, I think 5 or 6, right? I think it's number 6 in this series. They started in 2015, 16, 17, 18, 19, now it's 2020. They all have 5,000 francs. And, oops, sorry, it's good that it is in capsule. So there are 75,000 of these coins minted. And yeah, very cool design. Silverback Gorilla Congo. I collect them all. Okay, and the last one, we have a new coin, which last day I'm very skeptical, you know, to collect any new coins, but this is from North Korea. North Korea. The Phoenix, right? North Korea Phoenix. So let me run and see what is this coin. Yeah, this one. So this is very interesting coin. The price, like, they start to reduce the price a little bit. What I like about this coin, you see, this is the recognizable sign, you know, on left side. I'm not sure it is in Korean language, but this is right away you can see if it's silver, if it's valid or not. You know, you don't need to run any verification cards. You know, Sigma metallic. You know, I like it. There are 2 Phoenix here. You know, the matte surface. Yeah, very cool. The quality is very good, and it may be a nice collection going forward. We don't know. They never say how many of these they produce. It's a first issue of South Korean Silver Phoenix. South Korean coins, they are not really like 50-50. They're not like, you know, in crazy demand. I have some of them, some of these Korean coins, Sihu or Siju, and they have these Korean names. And I do collect them, but I don't see, sometimes they have very good discounts and they go like $3-4 of a spot, so I cannot say they are, you know, in high demand coins. Yeah, very nice Phoenix here. Yeah, so let's see how it will be with this coin. You know, I grabbed one of them. There is no how many, they don't mention, you know, mintage, how many they will produce. So let's keep eye on this coin and, you know, and see what is happening. But so far for this, you see it's flat, the edge is flat here. For this kind of coin, you know, it's also big coin, you know, it's also thin, you know, I can see it's a big coin, probably like American Silver Eagle, plus millimeter. Well, let's keep eye on this. Let's see what's going on. Okay, guys. So this was fresh update, and thanks for watching. And be in touch. Bye bye. Please sign, comment, and put your comments and hit the notifications.